Hello, greetings and welcome to your journey into Learn Python programming. In this lesson, I want to share some advanced, it's not say advanced, but some basics examples using variable, input command, operators, conditions, formulas, and functions. Okay, so now let's start. First example, sum of two numbers. Ask user any two numbers. Okay, using input command, I'm transferring into integer. Why? Because we know that in input command give the output in the string. So we converted it to the integer and then we store in our variable number no1. The same thing we will do here. Ask user enter number value 2, converted into the integer and then store in our number 2. And I use arithmetic operator plus, and using this arithmetic operator no1 plus no2, it solves the formula first, and then whatever the answer is here, it's saved in the sum variable. And we will print total is comma separator and variable. Let's run and check. Wait for a while. Now, the number value 1 is 20, number 2 is 50, so say its total is 70. Okay, so here we are using a plus, it's arithmetic operator. Input, we ask user a value, we converted into the integer, no1 and no2 is a variable, and print is a function. Let's go to the next example. Here we use star, okay, it's a power sign. Number 1 raised to number 2. Let's execute and see. First, what is the input? 2 raised to 3. That means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. The power is 8. Okay, it's not actually power, but I show you what we are doing. 2 raised to 3. It's a power. So we can execute one more time. I say 10 raised to 2. My bad. Yeah. Let's erase it. Now, here I'm using the input command. I'm converting ask user to enter kilometer, and we converted into the meter. First execute the command and let's see. He asked enter kilometer. I say 1. So we know that 1 kilometer, that means 1000 meter. Execute one more time and I say 5. So 5000 meter. How we can do this? I am using formula here. Okay. So kilometer multiplied by 1000 is converted into the meter. Okay. It's very simple formula, but I want to give you to try this one. Okay, find the Fahrenheit to Celsius F2C conversion project for you. Okay, I want you must try this. And if you check your answer is correct and wrong, then you can use the Google and write that F2C. And here is a formula. Okay, you use this formula and verify your answer. Suppose you write enter 50 and check that in Celsius, its answer is 10. So write a program to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and use the Google for this formula. Apply this formula in your program. All the best. Thank you.